National Biosafety Rules. Here we will talk about the biosafety rules of Pakistan. By Section 31, in accordance with Pakistan Environmental Act 1997, Federal Government was pleased to announce the National Biosafety Rules 2005. According to these rules, they have to follow the biosafety guidelines which are made by Ministry of Environment. These rules also deals with the commercial release of genetic modified organisms or the products made by recombinant DNA technology. These rules also deal with deliberate release, that is the intentional release of modified living organisms. Then it also deals with the experimental release. For example, आपकी लैब में कोई प्रोडक्ट बना है और उसको आप कमर्शलाइज करना चाहते हैं, यहाँ पे आपने प्रॉपर लाइसेंस लेना है फॉर द सेल एंड परचेज. नाउ लाइसेंस इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय फेडरल एजेंसी under Section 14 of the Environment Protection Act 2005. These national biosafety rules also deals with the applications of new biotechnology, which is also known as modern biotechnology. अगर बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में कोई नई टेक्निक इंट्रोड्यूस हुई है तो रिसर्चर्स को या वर्कर्स को दूसरे मुल्क भेजकर उनकी ट्रेनिंग कराई जा सकती है. इसके अलावा इन टेक्निक्स को अपने मुल्क में भी इस्तेमाल के काबिल लाया जा सकता है. These national biosafety rules deals with the export of biological materials, that is the movement of biological materials from Pakistan to another country by following the international biosecurity guidelines. In the same way, we can deal with the import system, that is the transport of biological materials from another country into the Pakistan. Now, National Biosafety Rules 2005 have constituted different committees. One of them is Institutional Biosafety Committee under Rule 8, National Biosafety Committee under Rule 4, and Technical Advisory Committee under Rule 6.